pag-usapan natin our time in Ateneo. Let's talk about the current team now. They are at 3-1. First loss to LaSalle, won 3 straight against UST, FEU, and UE. What are your thoughts on the performance of the team?
I think ngayon kapansin-pansin na ang patangkad ng mga players compared to our time. Pero they should use that to their advantage. And so far, they've been doing well kasi 3 straight wins na sila. Although may struggle sometimes sa mga per set. Pero I think given na yung, yung height nila and of course yung play nila, very consistent din sila. They really showed a nice performance din nung off-seasons of PVL. So everyone's expecting them to perform well.
How about you, Z?
I think it's still early in the league to say na ito sila, ganyan sila. And trusting Coach O naman, he's led the men's team previously into a couple of championships. So I think tiwala lang sa sistema ni Coach, and if the kids do, malayo mararating nila. Yun nga, nabanggit mo na 3 magkakasunod na panalo, and it's just a long way from there. Yes, parang magandang baon yan sa kanilang utak at puso.
For me naman, tingin ko lang hindi pa nila nalalabas yung talagang laro nila. Kasi ang ganda nung naging performance nila nung PVL. So, syempre, iba yung PVL tsaka UAAP.
Ano bang pagkakaiba nun? Para sa ating mga viewers.
Of course, pag UAAP, iba yung pressure, pakiramdam pag maglalaro ka, you're playing for your school. Tsaka yung spirit talaga. So parang...
Kumakain yung main stage. Iba eh.
Nandun lahat ng mata ng tao kasi UAAP school ka eh. Naglalaro ka sa malaking venue, daming crowd. So feeling ko parang medyo hindi pa talaga nila nalalabas kung ano yung talagang laro ng Ateneo team.
And actually, when I was looking at the stats a while ago, parang hindi ako sanay kasi nung time natin, lagi tayo nandun sa top 10 ng receives and digs. Tapos sa blocking doon medyo wala. Ngayon, baliktad na. Baliktad na. Oo, kasi nga, they're a taller team now.
Yes. Right. Totoo.
And what do you think they should, improve on? I mean, how should they improve on the defense and receiving?
Siguro yung sa defense nila, I think, lang yan eh, kailangan lang nilang ayusin yung pwestuhan nila, defense area nila. Siyempre, alam niyo naman, pag sa court, may area yan. So, kung akin to, kung sa'yo yan. Or pwede rin naman like, if hindi kaya nung katabi mong makareceive, I'll cover na lang. Usap lang talaga sa loob ng court yun.
How about Dina Wong? What can you say about her performance this season so far?
Dina, I think medyo nahihirapan siya sa medals niya ngayon kasi wala ngang reception na maganda dumadating sa kanya. So, bihira lang niya mabigay eh. So, I hope na maayos ng Ateneo yung reception nila para ma-distribute na talaga yung
Pero
bola.
tingin mo sa kumpiyansa, nag-grow ba si Dina? Kasi last year, di ba, parang inaano pa siya ni Gia eh.
Yeah.
Inaalagaan pa siya. This year, anong Dina Wong ang nakikita mo?
Tingin ko may kumpiyansa naman na si Dina maglaro ngayon kasi may experience na siya sa PVL, nakapaglaro na sila ng finals, and then syempre, nandyan din si Jaja Maraginot para tulungan siya. And of course, Coach Oliver na alam mong tutok talaga yan. Magaling mag-develop si Coach Oliver ng setter. Ish Polvorosa. Diba? Remember, men's team.
Paano sa tingin niyo nakatulong si Coach O? There's this big transition. Hindi lang tayo may rookies. Ngayon, it's a whole different system. What do you think happened there? I mean, the shift from Coach Tai. You are under Coach Tai. You were under Coach Tai for some time. And now, Coach O. So, anong pagkakaiba nila at paano nakatulong ito sa team?
I think yung pinaka-main difference is yung wala na yung language barrier. Mas makakausap ni Coach O, mas makaka-communicate si Coach O ng gusto niyang mangyari. Gets? Kaysa nung kay Coach Tai, minsan hindi mo alam, ano ba yung gusto niya, or okay ka ba, gano'n.
Tsaka, it also helps na when Coach Tai was coaching the women's team, si Coach O naman was trying to adapt Coach Tai's styles, like, for example, the, what do you call that? No. The meditation.
Yes.
Yung mga ganung bagay. And like, the way Coach Tai is during games na parang, it's all happy vibes. Tapos pagdating sa training, it's all like mentoring vibes.
Nakuha na rin ni Coach O yun.
Yeah, so parang it's kinda an easier transition as compared to if it's like a whole different coach.
And dahil pinag-usapan na rin natin, mukhang si Kat Tolentino. Nag-fit sa system ni Coach O very well. Jem, we were talking about this. We saw Kat on her first day when she was trying out for our team. Do you remember that day? Pwede mo bang ikwento? Ano nangyari nun?
Nung pagdating ni Kat sa training natin, so ang sabi ni Coach Roger nun, sige nga, setan mo ng bola yan, yung bagong dating. Binigyan ko ng bola, binigyan ng quick. Ang lakas. Actually, middle pa siya nun hindi pa siya outside hitter nun Pagpalo niya, sobrang baon talaga. So parang, wow. Kaya lang, of course, ayun nga, nakakalungkot kasi na-injure siya. So, parang ang tagal nung paghihintay niya ulit makabalik. And syempre...
And it's so nice to see her move differently. Actually, sa napansin ko, sobrang gaan na niya ngayon. Yung galaw niya, pumayat siya. Tapos, she can hit from the back row. What are you proudest of with this Ateneo team, with how the team has grown from the time that we started, even from way before, during Charo's time, during Carla Bellia's time, Patty, up until now?
I think it's the overall support for the team. Mula noon, naalala mo, tayo pa yung naghahanap ng saan ba mabibili yung gear natin, yung apparel natin. Now, everything's just easily given to them. Like, ano kailangan mo? Sige, I got you. So, and we're very thankful that a lot of people are supporting the team now, from sponsors to fans who go all the way to San Juan Arena, MOA or Araneta pa yan, nakikipagsiksikan sa linya. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa Ateneo.
And a question on people's minds as well. Do you think tayo, yung batch natin, may pantatapat sa batch ngayon ng Ateneo?
Ikaw, hinintay ka na lang namin.
Ayun na kami.
Palaban. There's one thing, kaming apat, kaming lima. Nako, sobrang competitive namin. Lahat kami strong personality. Wala nagpapatalo sa amin. But I can also say that just like in NBA, it's a different generation altogether. During our time, I was already the tallest. We were very tall for our time. But now it's a different game. The plays are faster. Yes. The players are taller. The coaching has changed. The landscape has changed. And it's nice to see volleyball grow right before our very eyes. And to see all of you. And we're still here together.
So meron kaming training na alas 5 ng umaga. So akit kami sa Blue Eagle Gym, patay lahat ng ilaw. Tapos si Phil nagtatago sa may bukana ng stairs. Tapos tinakot niya si Alyssa. Si Alyssa, oh my God, umiyak. As in, takot na takot siya. Kasi si Phil, hindi na ganun ka pa nga.
Ikaw din ba yung humawak ng ipis?
Thank you for watching The Score. Don't forget to subscribe to ABS-CBN Sports YouTube channel to be updated with the latest games.